Welcome to Riz English Channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, your English teacher and friend.
And I'm Zoe, your English learning partner. Hi, everyone.
Today's episode is special because we're going to talk about something very important: how to learn English the right way.
Ooh, that's a good topic. I think every learner wants to know the best way to learn English.
Exactly. But here's a question for our listeners. Have you ever studied English for months and still felt stuck? Or maybe you understand words but can't speak confidently.
Oh, yes, I felt that before. I used to think, why is English so hard?
I know that feeling. But don't worry. Today, we'll talk about how you can learn English easily, naturally, and even have fun doing it.
Fun? That sounds nice. Because sometimes learning feels like work.
Yes, but it doesn't have to. We'll show you simple ways to make English part of your everyday life. No stress, no fear.
Perfect. So where do we start?
Let's start with a simple question for our listeners. Why do you want to learn English?
That's a great question.
Yes, because when you know your why, learning becomes easier. For example, maybe you want to travel, or get a better job, or make international friends.
Or maybe you want to watch movies in English without subtitles.
Yes, that's a great reason too. Everyone has a different goal, but no matter your reason, there's one golden rule. Practice a little every day.
Every day?
Yes, even 10 minutes a day helps more than 2 hours once a week.
Wow, that's true. Like brushing your teeth. Small but daily.
Exactly. Small steps every day. And here's another secret. You don't always need books.
What? No books?
Well, books are good, but you can learn English from real life too.
Like how?
Let's say you love music. Listen to English songs. Try to understand one line, then repeat it.
Ah, I do that. I learned the word beautiful from a song once.
See? That's learning. You can also learn from movies, short videos, or podcasts, like this one.
Ah, yes, you're learning English right now by listening to us.
Exactly. So let's teach our listeners some useful words and phrases they can use while learning English.
Great idea.
The first phrase is, I'm learning English. Simple, right? Let's say it together. I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
Perfect. You can use the sentence anytime someone asks what you're doing or studying.
Like, what are you doing? I'm learning English.
Yes. Now, the next phrase. Can you help me with English?
Oh, that's a good one.
It's useful when you want to practice with a friend or ask someone to correct you. Let's say it together. Can you help me with English?
Can you help me with English?
Great job. And here's another phrase. How do you say this in English?
Oh, I use that one all the time.
Yes, it's very helpful. You can use it when you don't know a word. Repeat after me. How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
Excellent. These are everyday phrases that make you more confident.
I like that.
Now, Zoe, let's talk about something many learners struggle with, speaking.
Oh, yes, many people are afraid to speak English.
Exactly. They worry about making mistakes. But let me tell you something. Mistakes are good.
Really?
Yes, because every mistake means you're trying. And when you try, you learn.
That's true. When I started speaking English, I made so many funny mistakes.
Do you remember one?
Yes. Once I wanted to say, I'm hungry, but I said, I'm angry.
That's a classic one. I think many people have said that.
Everyone laughed, but it helped me remember the word hungry.
Exactly. So, listeners, don't be afraid of mistakes. They are your teachers.
I love that. Mistakes are teachers.
Let's say that again for everyone. Mistakes are teachers.
Mistakes are teachers.
Good job. And remember, the more you speak, the better you get.
Even if it's just talking to yourself?
Absolutely. Talking to yourself is great practice. You can describe what you're doing, like, I'm making coffee, or I'm going to work.
That's easy and fun.
Yes, and it helps your brain think in English.
So, small daily practice, no fear of mistakes, and learning from real life.
Exactly. You're summarizing it perfectly, Zoe.
I'm a good student, right?
The best one.
Thank you, teacher.
Now, let's talk about listening. Many learners say, I can read, but I can't understand when people speak.
Yes, people speak so fast sometimes.
True. But the secret is to listen every day, even if you don't understand everything.
Like listening to English podcasts or songs?
Exactly. Your ears will slowly get used to the sounds.
Oh, so it's like training your brain.
Yes, training your brain to recognize English sounds. You can start with slow content, like this podcast, then move to faster ones later.
That makes sense.
And reading also helps. Read short English stories, or even signs, menus, and messages.
Oh, I do that. I try to read English labels in the supermarket.
That's a perfect idea. You can learn new words everywhere.
Wow, so English is not just in the classroom, it's everywhere.
Exactly. The world is your classroom.
Oh, I love that sentence. The world is your classroom.
Thank you, Zoe. And listeners, remember, English is not just a subject, it's a skill, and every skill gets better with use.
That's true. The more you use it, the more natural it feels.
Yes, and one more important thing. Enjoy the journey.
Enjoy the journey. That's nice.
Don't focus only on the result. Every new word you learn, every sentence you say, is progress.
So even small steps matter.
Exactly. Learning English is like climbing a small hill. Step by step, you reach the top.
Oh, I like that image.
And when you look back, you'll realize how far you've come.
That's motivating.
I hope so. And listeners, we're here to help you every step of the way.
Yes, you're not alone in this journey.
That's right. Now, let's do a quick recap before we finish.
Okay?
Today we learned that you should practice English every day, even for 10 minutes. Learn from real life, songs, movies, and conversations. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak and listen often, and enjoy the learning journey.
Wow, that's a great summary.
Thank you. And remember our favorite line, mistakes are teachers.
Mistakes are teachers.
Good job.
This was such a nice talk, Riz. I feel more confident already.
I'm happy to hear that, Zoe, and I hope our listeners feel the same.
Yes, and if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Because every week we bring you more fun, simple, and natural English lessons.
That's right.
Thank you all for listening. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you can do this.
Yes, you can learn English step by step.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.